Well, hi, this is Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified and the QI Macros. I recently watched a TED video where a woman talks about big data. And I didn't know this, but big data is like a $122 billion industry when she made that video. And she reported also that about 3/4 of those projects never returned a profit. Now, from a Six Sigma standpoint, that's about a 1 Sigma performance level, right? So we threw away over $80 billion, not getting nowhere. And so I want you to just consider just for a moment that you don't need big data, right? You can get big profits from small data, but most people are focused on the sales side of the equation, not the cost side of the equation. If you focus on reducing the costs, unnecessary, preventable kinds of costs that are caused by defects, mistakes, errors, waste, rework, and lost profit, guess what? That's going to cause your profits to go up. So you don't need big data, right? If we're working on reducing defects, mistakes, and errors, a fairly small sample will actually be representative of the whole. That's why it's called sampling. All right, so we don't need a gazillion records. All we need are some representative records that tell us something about defects, mistakes, and errors, and we can do the analysis to figure out what our performance rate is, Pareto it down, and narrow it down to the point where we can figure that all out. And the data mining wizard and the QI macros will do that for you automatically. I'm Jay Arthur. See you next week.